This video is about importing and exporting contact data from your CRM. In this video, we'll walk through setting up your account and file to get you ready for importing, as well as walk through importing different types of files to add or update contacts in your account. We'll upload a suppression list, which mass unsubscribes contacts from your list. Then we'll go through assigning export permissions to people on your team, allowing them to export contact and company data from your CRM. For the account setup, groups are used as a main level of organization. The user fields store the contact data being uploaded through the file, and tags are a simple search that can identify contacts. Groups stand as the main level of organization. They can be found within the group drop-down menu on the top left. To create a new group, hover over the Settings drop-down and select Group. In the Group Settings page, click on the New Group button along the top right. You'll identify the group name, and you can base the settings off of a previous group already created in the account. Once your groups have been created, the next level of organization would be the Contacts user fields. Each user field has a designated number and name associated with it, and they can store the custom information within your contacts record. You can create an unlimited amount of user fields, and they will be connected when you're uploading the file into your account. For a detailed walkthrough, review the Creating and Managing User Field videos within the Help section. To manage all tags within your account, hover over Contacts and select Tools. In the Contact Tools area, you can click to edit the tags and positions. Here you can create new tags, update the abbreviations or tag names, as well as delete the tags from your CRM. Now that your main account structure has been set up, we can talk about importing contacts into your CRM. To get started, let's set up your external file to align with how your account is structured. Your CRM will accept most file extensions, with a preference on TXT, CSV, or Excel files. The header row will include the specific information you want to upload through your file. Then we'll talk about a suppression list, which is a TXT file format, and it is used to mass unsubscribe contacts within your account. This is an example of what your imported file should look like. Make sure there's an email address associated with each contact, and the header row is associated with each information you're looking to upload. For example, the user fields have a number and name associated with them. If you are connecting the contact to more than one group, specify the groups with a comma space, as well as any tags you can connect with a tags heading. To avoid errors when importing your file, verify that all the spelling and punctuation is correct and directly matches the information in your CRM. Next, we'll cover importing this file into your CRM. Within your specific group, hover over the Contacts drop-down and select Import. The File, TXT, and CSV sections are the main way to upload your file. You can connect to your Yahoo and Gmail accounts from here. You can synchronize contacts and invoices with your QuickBooks account. Connect to your Magento account to import customers, products, and orders into your CRM. Evernote allows you to import scanned business cards. We'll talk about the suppression list in just a minute. The CRM Import tab allows you to upload detailed spreadsheets regarding activities, due dates, and other tasks associated with your contacts. Click on the question mark icon to learn more details surrounding the activities you can import. The File tab within the Contact Import page is the main section where you upload your files into the CRM. Each file previously uploaded has a status symbol next to it which shows your report and its role within your account. You can download the Excel report as well as check any import errors or notifications. To delete a file, hover over the file and select Delete. Once you confirm to delete, the file will no longer be visible within the Files Uploaded section. When you're ready to upload a new file, scroll to the bottom of your file list and click the Quick Add button. Here, drag and drop the file into your CRM. The types of files you can import include a CSV, TXT, as well as various Excel files. complete the import file to get to the Options pop-up window. The Option pop-up section allows you to adjust additional information regarding this file. It also allows you to ignore invalid lines, as well as merge contact information or prefer specific details. The header selection allows you to connect the information within the file to specific fields within your CRM. Here you will want to make sure that each of the fields you're uploading has a place to be stored within the account. Adjust each of the header selections to make sure that it is connected to the right user field to update. If the header within your Excel file directly matches the information within your CRM, many of these options will automatically connect. Just verify and go through to make sure that each of the file options being uploaded has a place to be stored within the CRM. Once you click to finish importing, your file will start importing immediately. There is a deduplication process the system does to remove any duplicate contacts from being uploaded into the account. Once the file is ready, you'll see a preview and report of the file you just uploaded. Here you'll see how many contacts were added through this file, as well as any notifications as to why contacts or fields were not uploaded. Hover over any of the icons to learn more about the specifics around this notification. Above the report, you can also click to download the file that is currently stored within your CRM. Within the Text tab, this is where you can import a simple text options for your contacts. Each line within the text box would have a name, last name, and email address associated with the import. Once you start the import, you'll see the options window pop up once again. Here, you can define if there's a header row, any default groups, adjust a default tag, as well as specify what of the information within the import you'd like to become the primary. Once you click to finish import, you'll see the file starts uploading and is stored within the file area of your CRM. The CSV import works very similar to the text option. Click on the question mark icon to learn further details. You'll see that the first name, last name, and email are separated by a comma. If you want to upload a CSV file instead, click on the File tab. Otherwise, click to Start Import. This will pull up that Import Options window where you can verify or update the importing details. This CSV file will also be stored within the file area of your CRM. You can upload a suppression list to mass unsubscribe a list of contacts from your system. Each line item is a contact email address, which will save the suppression list as a TXT file. Within the suppression list option of your import contacts, click to upload the file. Drag and drop the TXT file with your list of email addresses into here. Click to import the file to continue this process. This is a quick way to mass unsubscribe a list of contacts from your account. You are not charged for the contacts in your next billing cycle if they have been unsubscribed manually. Exporting contacts from the account is only for the main account holder, unless they have provided you explicit permissions to export contact and company data from the CRM. To assign these permissions, hover over the Settings drop-down and select Shared Access from the main account. From the Groups box along the left, select the group you want to assign permissions to. The main account holder has the Export feature, which they can activate for any specific users in their account. To give these users additional permissions to export company information, you'll want to assign them Power User status as well. Review the Shared Access video to learn more about the different permissions you can share with your contacts. Within the Contacts drop-down, select Export. Make sure that you're in the correct group, and you'll see a list of contacts about to export along the right. Within this page, you can specify the format, which is a CSV or Excel file you'd like to export this contacts to. You can edit this list of contacts by clicking Edit Filter options. You can load a saved filter from here as well as email contact from this page. By default, all files exported will have a list of all the fields. You can edit these options to remove any fields that you'd not like within your export. Once you have customized the Edit Filter options, as well as removed any unwanted fields from your list, continue to export the contacts. The exported file will either be in a CSV or Excel option depending on the format you selected. The system keeps a log of each export taken out of the account. You'll see information regarding when it was requested and generated, as well as any filters. You can download your export from this page here as well. Next, we'll cover exporting company information from the CRM. To do this, hover over the Contacts dropdown and select View. Within the Companies tab, either the main account holder or those users who have been given export permissions as well as power user status will see the Export button along the right. Simply click on the Export button to download the list of companies within your CRM. To learn more, visit the Help section or reach out to our support team with any questions.